Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth target calculation for $750 monthly income. To begin with, the main goal is simple. We want to build a dividend portfolio that can generate $750 every month in passive income. Since dividend income is usually calculated on a yearly basis, the first step is to convert the monthly income goal into an annual income goal. So, we multiply $750 by 12 months. This gives us $9,000 per year. In other words, to receive $750 every month, your portfolio needs to generate around $9,000 in annual dividend income. Next, we need to estimate the dividend yield. Dividend yield means how much income your investments pay compared to the total value of your portfolio. The formula is annual dividends divided by portfolio value. For many diversified dividend portfolios, a realistic long-term average yield may be around 3% to 5%. After that, we calculate the required portfolio value. The formula is very simple. Required portfolio value equals annual income goal divided by dividend yield. For example, if your average dividend yield is 4%, then you divide $9,000 by 0.04. This gives a required portfolio value of $225,000. Therefore, at a 4% average dividend yield, you would need a portfolio of approximately $225,000 to earn $750 per month, or $9,000 per year, in dividend income. Now, let's look at how the required amount changes with different dividend yields. If the average dividend yield is 3%, you would need about $300,000. If the yield is 3.5%, you would need about $257,143. At a 4% yield, the target is $225,000. At a 4.5% yield, the required portfolio value becomes $200,000. And at a 5% yield, you would need around $180,000. As you can see, the lower the dividend yield, the higher the portfolio value needed. On the other hand, the higher the dividend yield, the lower the required portfolio value becomes. However, it is important to remember that a higher yield is not always better, because very high yields can sometimes come with more risk. For this reason, it is better to focus on quality dividend-paying companies, stocks, or ETFs that have a strong history of paying and growing dividends. A diversified portfolio can also help reduce risk and create more stable income over time. In addition, taxes, market conditions, dividend cuts, and changes in stock prices can affect the actual income you receive. So these numbers should be used as estimates, not guaranteed results. Finally, to grow your wealth faster, you can reinvest dividends whenever possible, add new money regularly, review your portfolio, and allow compounding to work over time. With consistency and patience, dividend investing can become a powerful strategy for building long-term passive income. So, the key takeaway is this. To earn $750 per month in dividend income, you need $9,000 per year in dividends. At a 4% average dividend yield, that means you need approximately $225,000 invested. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.